Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on CKB. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that CKB formed another down channel on the daily time frame chart, and recently, a few days ago, you can see that we have broken out the channel, but the price end found a short-term resistance here, approximately at 2 cents, and you can see that the price end got rejections here several times, and once again, after this breakout, the price end is rejected, and now it is testing this long-term support of 1.35 cents. That is a quite long-term support, by the way. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this 1.35 cents had been previously breaking as a support here, and before that, it had been breaking as a resistance here and support here as well. And on this 7 days time frame chart, we will also take a look at this breakout from this very long-term down channel as well. And you can see that after the breakout, we had a very powerful rally. In fact, when it was moving inside this channel back in December 2022, I shared several videos with you, and I've been telling you that now there is a very high probability that soon it can break this channel, and once it will be able to break out this long-term down channel, then we can expect a very massive rally. And you can see that so far from this low to here, CKB has rallied more than 1,743%, but could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from 3.5 cents and goes to 4.5 cents. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rally as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for CKB that I shared a few days ago on 23rd of May 2024 with my members. And so far, this move or signal has produced almost 36% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for CKB that I shared on 23rd of May 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardley pattern, not a Gardley, a bad move that CKB was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that CKB first dropped down and entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very nice pump. And this was almost 36% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of CKB. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that recently we have broken out this resistance of this down channel, but after the breakout, the price end could not break out this short-term resistance of 2 cents that was previously working as a resistance here. And for several days, it has been working as a resistance here. By the way, here it has been working as support as well. And now after the breakout, the price end is once again rejected by the resistance here as well. And now we are testing a quite long-term support of 1.35 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 1.35 cents has been previously working as a support here. Let me show you on the daily time frame chart. Then you can see that recently it has been breaking as support here, and before that it has been breaking as a resistance here. Here it had been breaking as a resistance, and almost here as a support as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support. And in case of another price reversal from here, we will need to break out this this short-term resistance of 2 cents. However, if the price end breaks down this support, then this breakout from this channel will be invalidated. And for example, if the price line starts another reversal from here and breaks out this resistance of 2 cents, then soon it can also hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That is here, by the way, at the top of the channel, approximately at 2.65 cents. But in my opinion, if the price line breaks out these two resistance levels at 2 cents and this long-term resistance of 2.5 cents, then soon it can also try to break out this long-term resistance zone as well. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big down channel. Then we broke out another falling wedge pattern, then this up channel as well. Then we had a very powerful rally, but the price then got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from 3.5 cents and goes to 4.5 cents. Previously, this resistance zone had been working as a resistance on here for a few weeks, and for a few weeks it had been working as a resistance on here. And once again, we got rejection here in the month of April 2024. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break it out. If we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that on this 7 days time frame chart, it is aggressively moved down and entered the oversold zone. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon from here we can expect a correction move to the upside, but before that, we will need to wait for a bull cross from this oversold zone, like previously we received the bull cross here. Then we had a very powerful rally. Before that, we received the bull cross here, like this blue line crossed up the orange line. Then price and moved up and got rejected by the resistance of the channel. Same as like that, we need to wait for another bull cross when this blue line will cross up this orange line. Then we will see some price stability and the price can start another correction move to the upside. And once it will be able to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 3.5 cents and goes to 4.5 cents, then this long-term and strong resistance zone will be flipped into a support zone. And this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.